Hey, it's Jimmy and Colleen.
We're heading to the Deerfield Fair today.
If you look at the pattern.
We're at the fair. We're making our way to the gate. I think it's Gate C.
Yep.
And I'm excited.
I am too. I always get excited when we come to these.
This is going to be fun.
It's like the whole year of anticipation.
Right? It really is. I mean, like we said, the signals fall for us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You as well. Are you excited?
I am. I want to eat everything here.
Can you smell the food? Yeah.
I'm psyched for that.
There's Italian sausage here. These guys are here cooking up the sausage. Check him out. He's cooking up. How you doing?
Oh, that smells
How's things
so
looking?
good.
Yeah, look at those onions going. Smells good. They got stuff grilling.
There you go.
Excellent. Yeah, look at that. With the sausage and the hot dogs. It's looking great, you guys. We'll be back. Looks awesome. Look at these whoopie pies. Those things are huge. Apple strudel. Look at strudel. Big Macintosh. We got some whoopie pies. We got it all. Look at that one. That is huge. That's awesome.
That's like
That is huge.
incredible amount of.
You guys make everything yourself, right?
She does.
Yeah,
That's
nice.
amazing.
That's awesome.
We have to buy one on the way out.
Yeah, on the way. We're parked at the end of your road here, so we'll be back.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, take care. There's so much to look at and so much to do. It's still early. It's only about 10 in the morning, so we're walking through all this food. I'm really getting hungry. I'm not sure where to go first. Colleen's looking for
The giant
donuts, and we can't remember where they are. You know, we've been coming here our whole life, and I still don't know where they are. So that's what we're trying to locate now.
I think if we take a right down here.
All right, we're gonna go take a right.
Deerfield Community Church has got their restaurant.
Let's look on our right. We're making our way across. Which way you want to go?
Well, you came this way, so this way.
You came that way? People in here, good morning, you guys. How's it going? It's still a little early, but we'll be back. We come here every year to eat lunch, so we'll be back to see you guys after. Yeah, there you go. Take care. There you go. Where's the piggies? Colleen, jump in there. We'll get your picture with these guys. So, at every fair you expect, you know, the usual barbecues and the chicken and the different types of sweet food, the pastries and the cakes. But
What's unique to our
fair, how often do you see Maine lobster steamers and corn where you can get yourself a Maine lobster bake at the fair? You don't see that often.
Nope.
And I usually get some chowder. Let's go see what's going on over here. There's some cows. Well, I'm walking around in a clothing shop and a leather store. They got hats, all kinds of hats and things. We're kind of just checking things out at the fair. It's pretty cool, having fun. Inside one of the vending buildings, all kinds of vendors here. There's bathtubs and windows, all kinds of things for the home, whole house generators. These guys are selling everything for your house. We can get some tractors here at the fair. She's still on the hunt for the donut. We haven't found the donut yet. Maybe they've abandoned it. They're not doing the giant donut. Well, if it's here, we're gonna find it. These are the big ones.
Aren't they? I bet they are.
They look delicious. How are you today?
Great. A donut, or you want a crulla? Or whatever.
I want a chocolate honey dip one there. That one right there. That's what I'd like.
I want a regular dip.
Thank you so much. You have a good day. Thank you. Well, look at those. Those look really good, and I'm gonna try mine right now. How is it, Colleen?
So good.
So here's mine. I got the chocolate one. I'm gonna try it.
So good. But now we'll find the giant. We said those.
Oh, it's very good. So, we got our donut. So, we're moving on. Frank FM here. These are the guys from Frank. What's up, Frank?
Hey,
how you guys doing?
Hey.
How's everything going?
Hey, it's going fantastic. How's it going with you?
It's going awesome. You guys having fun at the fair?
Okay, perfect. You know, have fun at the fair.
Right?
Fair food. Have you had your turkey leg yet?
Not yet. We've had the big donut. That's all we've had so far, but we're making our way towards all the food, so.
Make sure we get the fried dough, right?
Yeah, absolutely. You guys have a good one. We'll see you later, and we'll be listening. Take care. And here they are from the Wolf. Our folks from the Wolf are here. How you doing? Not as friendly as the Frank people, but that's okay.
Thank you.
Break, we decided we'd sit down and take a break real quick. There's a lot to see, a lot to do. There's a lot of walking. We're having a great time. The rain's stopped. It's kind of holding out now. I don't know if you can hear the band in the background. We're sitting here on a bench watching the band play. We've seen cows and sheep and food, and there's lots more to do. So we're going to take a quick break, and then we're going to be back at it again. We're at the Smoke Shack, and I'm gonna order a sandwich. I think I like the boneless rib one. I think is what I'm gonna get. The boneless rib sandwich for me.
Boneless rib sandwich. Can I get a boneless rib sandwich, please? Yep.
And a steak and cheese.
And a steak and cheese, please.
Steak and cheese. All right, here. Hey, the man. There we go. That's what I like to see. Service with some pep. Sandwich. We get some barbecue sauce and all the fixings we can put on it if we want. I think we'll maybe go with some barbecue. That's the sweet one. Not sure what that one is. Yeah, so we'll grab our sandwich and we're gonna go inside the dining room and have a seat and we're gonna eat. He's got the steak and cheese and I got the boneless pork rib sandwich. We're gonna give it a try. All right, let's have a bite. Let me know how it is.
It's big.
Oh,
Very good.
is it good? Yeah,
Really
good. All right, so let's see. See if I can do this while I'm filming. See what happens here. Pretty good. Yeah, boneless pork rib sandwich is pretty good. And I need some napkins. So we're gonna eat our sandwiches and we'll be right back. What would a trip to the fair be without a trip into the farm museum? Let's check that out. Here's the farm bedroom.
These are various
Yeah.
bodies.
Here's your bathroom. So, you know, you didn't have to get up in the middle of the night and go outside, do your business. So we've been looking for the Tom's Jumbo Doughnuts and we found him, but after we ate a different donut because we thought he wasn't here. So Colleen's a little disappointed.
I'm very sad.
We could always get one and bring it home.
No, we need to bring home whoopie pies from the whoopie pie guy.
Okay,
So,
so I guess we'll be back next year for Tom's Jumbo Doughnuts. So hey, this is Jim and Colleen. We're gonna wrap it up here at the Deerfield Fair.
it's a good time.
Yeah, it's been a great day. We've had a good time. We've seen everything. We saw the swine and the sheep, cows and chickens. We've had a lot to eat. We didn't get the turkey leg,
I didn't get the blooming
which is
onion.
a recommendation, and we did not get a blooming onion. But we've eaten our fill. We had a donut. We did get apple crisp, and we had
Really
some
good.
smoked barbecue sandwiches. There's a lot to do here at Deerfield Fair if you come on down. It's in September in New Hampshire, the end of September, usually the last weekend of the month. We're going to wrap it up here at the Deerfield Fair 2018. You guys have a good one.